Yeah, hi guys. Now we are discussing about Git and GitHub in our DevOps. Yeah, what is Git? Yeah, Git is a open source version control system. Yeah, if developer want to change anything by using this Git only, it will change. Okay. Now I will show you everything how it will change. Okay. Yeah, before that changing, yeah, what is GitHub? GitHub is a it is also open source. It is a storage of our projects. Okay. Yeah, now I will show you first what is GitHub account in directly. Yeah, this is my GitHub account. Yeah, this is my repository. Yeah, this is a Spring Pet Clinic is a sample project. Okay, if we want to change something in Spring Pet Clinic project, then by using Git only it is possible. So now I will show you. Okay, how means yeah, you need to copy first SSH key. Okay, URL. Okay, this one. Okay, yeah, now it having a main branch. Yeah, in having a different like codings are here. So we have, so now I created yesterday one branch myself. Okay, yeah, here this one. So now I am shifted into feature branch. So here I want to change something. So how it will change, now I am showing you. Yeah, first we need to create a one local copy. Okay, one local copy in our uh, local repository, like a local file. So you go through a this one C drive. Okay, you need to create some one folder. Okay, name as whatever you can wish. Okay, you can give whatever name. Yeah, I'm giving Krish. Yeah, Krish, like double two. Okay, I'm giving one name. Okay, you can open this folder. Then you can like click right. Then it's showing show more options. Yeah, you will open Git bash here. Okay, it will open the Git tool. Okay, yeah, here this is the Git tool. Okay, yeah, now we want to copy the Spring Pet Clinic in our local file. So how? So now we are cloning. Yeah, git clone is a type of command. Okay, git clone is a type of command. It creates a local copy of our remote repository. Okay, yeah, here git clone. Yeah, we are copied that SSH key. Now you will paste here. Okay, yeah, enter. Okay, you're cloning into Spring Pet Clinic. Okay, it created a one local copy in our laptop. Here, see here. Okay, you will check here once. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, here this one. Okay, okay, now you can go to change directory to in main branch. I told already, you can change directory to main branch first. Okay, change directory to Spring. Yeah, here, enter. Yeah, it has been changed to direct enter into main branch. Okay, in main branch we have created a different feature branches. Okay, now yesterday I created a one feature branch. Okay, now you will shifted to that feature branch. Okay, now I am shifting into that feature branch. Means, yeah, git check check out git check out. Okay, feature. Yeah, feature dot 01 dot means yesterday. Okay, now, yeah, see here. Now my shifted into feature branch. Okay, then now, okay, I want to change something. Okay, in through in local copy my laptop. Okay, here, yeah, speaking pet clinic. Okay, yeah, here wait, go through with notepad. Okay, yeah, here. Okay, I want to change something here. Okay, here today's date. Okay, today's date. Check out again, change today date. Okay, I will change total. Okay, okay, this is my second change. Okay, like giving something whatever, it's too good. Okay, whatever you can give, what you want to change something, you will give. Okay, it's too good. Okay, give something. Yeah, have a nice day. Okay, have a nice day. Yeah, here. Okay. Yeah, you have entered something, so you want to change, like you want to save first. Okay. Yeah, here it's showing red color. Okay. Yeah, control S. Yeah, it's showing blue color. Okay, it's saved. Okay, then you will check here status. Okay, git. Yeah, git status. Okay. Yeah, here. Okay, I already changed something in direct in pom.xml, like in my local, like in my local file. Yeah, here, this one I changed. So now, like, we are changing the everything whatever we want into direct in this here. Okay, here we are changing the what we want here direct to through git only, git tool only. Okay. Yeah. Okay, changing now. Add to all. Okay, git add all. Okay. Yeah, now adding my changes into that remote repository. Yeah, these are we named as a remote repository. Okay, remote repository in our local file is a, this one is the working repository. Okay, yeah, working directory or whatever. Okay, yeah, okay. Now we are added. So now you will check git status. Yeah, see here. Okay, modified. Okay, clear. Okay, it is modified. Now you want to commit. What is commit means? You are saved something here. Okay, you are saved everything, like you are edited, like you are edited what you want to save directly to our remote repository. Okay, save your changes simply. Okay, what is me commit means? Git commit command means saving our changes into direct to remote repository. Okay, now I'm giving a command. Okay, git. Okay, commit. Okay, hyphen m. Yeah, wait. Yeah, this is my second. Yeah, wait. What do you want give name? Okay, whatever. Okay, yeah, yeah. See here, one file changed. Okay, no, yeah, we are changed everything on our local file directly. What I changed to pushing into our direct remote repository again. Okay, yeah, git push. Yeah, yeah. It's here. It's successful. Okay, yeah, done. Okay, yeah, you will check here. Yeah, can you refresh it once again? Yeah, 15 seconds ago. Okay, where we can save? Yeah, it's my own branch, your feature. Yesterday I created. Okay, own branch. In that branch only I can change everything. Okay, yeah, you can check now. Okay, yeah, palm.xml. Oh, see here. Okay, yeah, you will check once. Okay, yeah, this is my second change. Hare Krishna, it's too good. Yeah, have a nice day. Okay. Okay, by Git only we can change. Okay, if developer want to change or manage their code by using Git account only. Now it's by using the sample project like Spring Pet Clinic type of like pet, pet dog and cat, that pet clinic. Yeah, I taken one sample project, then I changed something like what we want. Okay, by using Git only. Okay, Git is a open source. Okay, it available in open source anywhere. It is high security as well as giving a high performance, and it is high flexibility. Okay, okay, it is open source version control system. By using this git only we can manage or changes the code or whatever in our files. Okay, means how it is working means it track changes in files. Okay, means changes we have changed everything, so it's clear. Okay, yeah, thank you guys. Okay.